Hey, my faithful viewers, how are you doing today? So, not everybody is up on the same level of mechanics as everyone else, and I've been doing this for 20 years, but I'm glad to see that other people are new and novice and want to get involved. So, I'm going to do a couple of tool classes. These are going to be classes just to basically familiarize yourself with what the tool name is, what it looks like, and what its basic functions are, so you can also get started in doing mechanics, save yourself some money, and build yourself some confidence. So let's go see what tool we got today.
Now, this is the wrench's cousin. It's the adjustable wrench, or it's called the Crescent wrench. Now, this one only has one side, and it has a nice handle here because it has multiple uses. So, this is an open end, remember? Because you can't have a boxed end. If it was closed, it wouldn't be adjustable. So we can take this little screw here and move it back and forth. And you see how it closes up now? And it gets tighter. So this is a good tool to use around the house. You can use this on cars, but I find that this piece over time starts to wobble like it is here. Let me see if I can wobble it without really moving my hand. So this piece is wobbly. And the more tension you put on this, the more this wobbles because it only goes in the slide. So I only use this on certain applications, but I do use it in the house a lot. I mean, look how far it goes out. It's a humongous wrench. Adjustable is usually found in any basic toolbox. You know, so you might get this instead of getting a bunch of small wrenches. Like a mechanic set will have a bunch of these small combination wrenches, but a house toolbox will probably have this with a bunch of other tools that we're going to go over as well. So this is the adjustable crescent wrench, which is the cousin of the regular wrench that we just saw, open end side of the combination wrench. And there you go.